Jai Sriman-Narayana. 22nd sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Purushah saha parah pardha bhaktya labhyastu ananyaya यस्यांतस्थानि भूतानि येन सर्वम् इदं ततम् ॐ You have a place in Sri Krishna Paramatma's heart. Sri Krishna Paramatma is there in your heart. Did you ever realize this fact? Now you start realizing this fact every day. Now you start remembering this fact every day. Now you start enjoying this fact every day. That itself becomes unadulterated loving devotion to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Only with that devotion you will be peaceful as long as you are in this body, and you will be eternally blissful after this life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall start remembering that I have a place in your heart and you are there in my heart helping me survive. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall start enjoying my place in your heart and I shall start enjoying you are in my heart. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam rutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, 70th day. Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, the Putana, the demon who was sent by Kamsa, now entering into Gokulam by taking a beautiful form of a woman, having flowers in her hair and with all body structure, beautiful structure. The Putana is attracting everyone, కాంచన కుండలకాంతులు గండయుగంబునన్ క్రేల్లురుకన్ జడపై మించిన మల్లెల మేలిమి తావులు మెచ్చి. The earrings with that glow is falling on the cheeks of that woman, and beautiful black hair is completely decorated with so many fragranceful jasmine flowers. Those fragrances are spreading everywhere. With that kind of beautiful swarupam, manoharantim vanitam rajaukasam, while attracting everyone, especially attracting all the men, that Putana in that beautiful form of a woman entering into Gokulam. Ambhoja karena rupinim gopyaha shriyam drashtum iva agatam patim. It is looking like as if Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi Devi, who always carries a lotus in her hand, came down to see Sri Krishna, who is Sri Hari, who is Sriman Narayana, who is her husband. This Putana is looking like that, and all the people in that Vrepalle thinking like that. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 22nd sloka. Purushassa parah pardha bhaktya labhyastvananyaya yasyantastani bhutani yena sarvamidam tatam. Purushassa parah pardha bhaktya labhyastvananyaya yasyantastani bhutani yena sarvamidam tatam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.